Nasir, Sobhan, and the team of the Nasir from Bangladesh for such a wonderful event management of this summit. As we all know about that SMEs play vital role in the economic and employment business in every country. This also applies to the region as well as Nepal. Of course, we have in the South Asian countries SME forum that regional bonding through SME development will yes followed by all of the countries supervisors and SME leaders as well as political and bureaucratic leaders. As of the matter of Nepal's context, about 6.13% of GDP is contributed by industrial sector and among them 5.5 is contributed by SMEs. So by this summit, we the team of South Asian countries SME Forum with leadership of Mr. Sobhan, we would succeed to extend participants from Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. And the process is still going to be extended with Pakistan and Maldives also. We will be contributing our input and all the SME leaders from the member countries of the SAARC to achieve our goal and mission of the forum. We from the FNCSI Nepal expect the similar cooperation and collaboration between the SME leadership to foster the mission and vision of the forum. As we have common consensus on the rollover of the presidency from Bangladesh to Nepal, we are expecting the similar collaboration and cooperation from the forum as well as from the all leaders and dynamism from the SME sectors who are working on the development of SMEs. So, on behalf of FNCSI and people of Nepal, me as President of FNCSI and Vice President of Forum, would like to thank for the team of NASI on their hospitality and effort for making this event a success. We expect this spirit will continue on days to come for successful mission of the forum. We believe on the quote that date is better than never. So we have spent a decade with this mission and will be clear on our vision, mission and vision in days to come. And we'd like to thank you again for the Nasir team and Mr. Sobhan for having such a wonderful and greatness on his leadership, and we will be expecting for the continuous support of this thing. Thank you all.